Vijay Tendulkar was a great Marathi playwright. For the contribution to Marathi drama, Tendulkar was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1989. He was also honored with Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1970. He wrote many Marathi plays like घर होते मेनाचे, कावळ्यांची शाळा, मधल्या भिंती, घाशीराम कोतवाल, कन्यादान, सखाराम बाइंडर, and Kamla. There are many plays to his. विजय तेंडुलकर wrote मराठी प्ले शांतता कोर्ट चालू आहे in 1968. Priya Adarkar translated that play in English as Silence, the Court is in Session in 1978. Vijay Tendulkar was the voice of humanism and realism. He has written Marathi plays which are translated into English. In Silence, the Court is in Session, there are some major characters like Miss Leela Benare, Samant, Sukhatme, Pongshe, Mr. Kashikar, Mrs. Kashikar, Balu Rokde, Karnik, Professor Damle. There are some minor characters also Raute, Nana Sahib Shinde, Benare's uncle, and one servant. Miss Leela Benare is a female character and the central character. Nana Sahib Shinde, Benare's uncle. These are the two characters which are not appeared on the stage. Professor Damle is also a character not directly appeared on the stage, but there is an indirect reference to Miss Leela Benare. Themes of the play Silence, the Court is in Session. Power of the patriarchy or male domination is main theme of the play. Miss Leela Benare explains that how men consider her as mere object of sex. Women character Leela Benare undergoes a series of tortures throughout the play. Professor Damle considers woman is nothing more than an object of sex. Second theme of the play is middle class status and tradition. Tendulkar exposes hypocrisy of Indian society through this play. He has criticized mindset of society. Professor Damle has extramarital relationship with Benare which results in pregnancy. But society blames only Leela Benare and not Professor Damle. Vijay Tendulkar highly criticized this diplomacy of the society for the same thing or crime. Gender discrimination is prevalent in the play. Or we can say gender discrimination is a part of the life of Indian women. Miss Benare tries to express her feeling and suffering, but no one is listening her. Unfortunately, she becomes the toy of Professor Damle. She is not accepted by the society, but Professor Damle is leading his life as normal. Such gender discrimination or duality of Indian society is exposed by Vijay Tendulkar. There is a one dialogue. Mr. Kashikar says, Silence must be observed while the court is in session. Can't shut up at home, can't shut up here. Mrs. Kashikar, but I was just telling Samant here. Sukhatme, let it pass, Mrs. Kashikar, he's just joking. Mrs. Kashikar, so what? Scolding me at every step. This dialogue shows that Mr. Kashikar stopped her with insulting remarks. Exploitation at different level is a part of each individual Indian woman. Women have been subjected as an object of luxury. It also indicates that there are restrictions on women at every age to speak in public freely. This is the monologue of Miss Leela Benare at the end of the play. She says, our feet tread on upon unknown and dangerous pathways evermore. Wave after blinded wave is shattered stormily upon the shore. Light glows alive again, it mingles with the dark of night. Our other hands burn out, and then again in flames they are alight. Everything is fully known, and everything is clear to see. And the wound that's born to bleed bleeds on forever faithfully. There is a battle sometimes where defeat is destined at the end. Some experiences are meant to taste than just to waste and spend. This monologue of Leela Benare expresses the suffering of women and silencing culture of India. Vijay Tendulkar has criticized this system. In India, daughters who raise voice against this system are difficult daughters for the society.